Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer video projects between Final Cut Pro versions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer. Locate the project you wish to transfer in your library. Select the project by clicking on it once. Go to File in the top menu. Choose the option Copy Project. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select a destination. Select the new version of Final Cut Pro where you want to transfer the project. Navigate to the desired library or create a new one if necessary. Click Copy to initiate the transfer process. The project will then copy over to the new location. Check for any plugins used in the original project. Ensure these plugins are also installed in the new version of Final Cut Pro. If needed, download and install appropriate plugins. Open the transferred project in the new version. Verify that all media files are linked correctly. Review the project timeline for any discrepancies. Adjust any settings or effects as necessary. Once satisfied, save the project in the new version. Your video project is now successfully transferred between Final Cut Pro versions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.